Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming two essentials: a Steam account with CS:GO or CS2 and funds or tradable items. Once confirmed, open the Steam Market or the game store and search for the Ez4ence music kit. Make sure to filter by availability and check whether the listing is for a music kit and not a related item. If you see several listings, sort by price or seller reputation. Proceed to the purchase flow or add funds to your wallet. Then complete the checkout. After purchasing, wait for the item to appear in your Steam inventory, then launch the game. Once in the client, open your inventory and navigate to the Music Kits section. Locate Ez4ence and select it. Next, click Equip and assign it to your active loadout slot. Make sure the game shows confirmation. You can preview tracks in the Equip menu to verify audio files loaded correctly. If you're trading for one instead, confirm trade contents and accept only from trusted partners before equipping. Finish by testing the kit during a warm-up or main menu preview. Confirm master and music volume levels are audible and not muted. If the kit does not appear, double-check your Steam inventory, trade history, and whether any trade confirmations are pending. Make sure you purchase the specific Ez4ence music kit and not a different listing. If funds were charged but the item is missing, contact the seller first. Then file a Steam support ticket with screenshots. That usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.